up, YouTubers? This is Random Content Guy here, and we're about to do another unboxing. And this time we are looking at one of these. We are going to open up this big fella. So it's a Radeon RX580 iOS. Yeah, this one has a 3-year limited warranty. That's alright. This is one of the bigger boxes that I received from my the place I bought all the computer products for this build, which is going to be in another video. Stay tuned for that. So let's get into this guy. This is a graphics card, and it's a pretty big one. Let's have a look what we got. Oh, look at it. It's a pretty huge, nice looking box. I'll put in the specifications of this product in the descriptions below. So look into that if you want more information on this product. This is this thing has 4 gigabytes of memory, so I think that's going to be plenty to play games or anything like that. That requires thinking on video and audio. So it should be cool. Oh wow. This is like high-end stuff, eh? I don't normally buy this sort of stuff because I'm from the low eco stem of income workers, so I don't have a lot of income, so there's a lot of saving involved in purchasing such items like these. So you got the graphics card there. Again, I mentioned in my previous video that this packaging, in the video of the unpacking of the motherboard, was encased in electrostatic resistant packaging. So this prevents it being accidentally static electrode charged and shorting out any of the smaller components that might be vulnerable to electric static shocks. So that's why it's in there. I won't take it out until I'm ready to put it in the build. So you can see from there that there's 2 big fans there. And then here is the card slot that goes into the motherboard. And from this angle here, this is where you need to put power in. So that is a 8-pin PCI cable input socket. So I'm going to need one of those, and it's going to be interesting to build. So like I said, stay tuned to that video. So what else do we have here? We've got something underneath here. Okay. So that's the box. It's a very nice box. Okay. So we got the graphics card information book here. It's got all the, okay, there's like, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. There's 23 translations of this, of the instructions in this booklet. So this, from page 2 is English. So basically, this is the only information you'll ever get regarding this, this thing. 1 page, 2 page, and then goes into the next translation, which is France. Yeah. I'm sorry for those who are in France. I mispronounce the word for the language, for your language. I just never. Actually, it's called French. Why? I don't know. Don't mind me. I am illiterate. I am a little silly. Either way, I apologize. You get the CD with the possible drivers. Yes, you do need to do that. Yeah. So install the driver. If this doesn't do it automatically when you log it in, obviously you've got an internet to do that. But you've got the driver here in the CD ready to go for those who don't have the internet, which my computer will not have internet because I like to keep it off, detached from the rest of the world, because I like my things kept safe and secure and private. So that's what that is. So the driver, install that. And that's basically it in the in this unboxing. I'm looking forward to seeing what this looks like without the cover, without the package. So yes, there will be more information on the product in the description, as I probably mentioned earlier in the video. So please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Tell your friends about us here at the world of the random content guy. And there's going to be more content, possibly random. You never know. Alright. Thanks, guys. Peace and love.